Hello everyone, we are going to see the speed of transverse wave here in a medium. Let a transverse wave traveling here in a medium. This medium is stretched string. Due to the vibration of stretched string, transverse wave travel in the medium. This medium is stretched string traveling here with velocity v in the direction of x-axis. The displacement is given in the direction of y-axis here. We are going to determine the formula for this transverse wave. We are knowing in transverse wave, medium particle vibrate perpendicular to wave propagation. This is the characteristic. Let at t is equal to 0, a wave is propagated here with help of this full line. And after a time interval delta t, little small time, another wave is also shown here with dotted line here. So this is after delta t time, it is t is equal to 0. Due to this, there is a path difference of delta x between the both waves. Therefore, we can say the speed of wave, which is shown in the diagram by symbol v, is difference in path by given time interval, or v is equal to delta x by delta t, and it is represented by equation number 1. In form of differential calculus, this formula can also be written as v is equal to dx by dt after putting the limit delta t tends to 0. Right? We are knowing that the equation of plane progressive wave, this wave is transverse in nature here in this particular case because it is produces due to the vibration of stretched string, is given by a formula yxt is equal to a sine kx this minus omega t. Represented by equation number 2, where we are knowing this omega is equal to 2 pi by lambda, 2 pi by capital T, and propagation constant k is equal to 2 pi by lambda. Right? Here see, we are going to see the phase. phase is here, angle or argument of sine here, and then argument of sine phase is equal to argument of sine is kx minus omega t here. Is here equation 3 and is constant. See here in it. It is phi is equal to kx minus omega t and is constant, and it can be seen here in the diagram, in this equation number 2, not a diagram, is a constant. Now we are going to apply a mathematical term here, differentiating equation 3rd with respect to t. Phi is constant, so it is a 0, is equal to k dx by dt minus omega. What does this indicate? After solving, one may get dx by dt is equal to, this dx by dt is equal to becomes omega by k. Since we know that v is equal to dx by dt, this implies that v is equal to omega by k. So this is a formula we are going to use for velocity of wave, traveling wave, transverse wave in a given direction. Right? Now, since we know that this velocity of wave is 2 pi by capital T, and it is k is 2 pi by lambda. So here see, 2 pi is cancelled by 2 pi, it becomes lambda by t. And this 1 by t is called frequency. Into this is, we are knowing frequency is equal to 1 by time period. So velocity of wave has here the formula lambda by t or nu lambda or omega by t. This is equation number 5. So see here in whole of the case. This whole is for the given topic, that is the speed of traveling wave in a given medium. So this is for a topic only. Thank you and have a nice day to all.